Tigre. The tolerances on this section are extremely tight, even for the robotic arms.
We can refine the mesh density.
The changes to the wheel assembly look correct now.
Yes, the drag coefficient is optimized. Let's approve this iteration.
Only lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber are chosen to create a body strong enough for extreme performance.
But Ferrari is not built by machines alone. Expert hands guide every step where perfection truly matters.
The scan shows a slight variance on this seam.
I see it. Let me adjust the hood position slightly.
Ferrari's legendary red isn't just paint. It's layered, polished, and perfected under strict control.
Inside, every stitch reflects luxury. Leather, carbon fiber, and design meet pure Italian craftsmanship.
Only after passing every test, a Ferrari earns its name as a true supercar.